how to create a playlist on your YouTube channel. Let's go through it step by step. Once you're inside your YouTube dashboard, look for the Create button near the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. A small menu will appear. From that menu, select New Playlist. This will open a pop-up window where you can create your playlist. First, enter a title for your playlist. Choose a title that clearly tells viewers what kind of videos they can expect to find inside the playlist. Next, move down to the description section. Here, you can add a short description about the playlist. You can mention the main topic, related subtopics, and the type of videos included. This helps viewers understand what the playlist is all about before they start watching. For now, you can leave the other settings as they are and continue to the next step. You'll also see an option to select the language for your playlist title and description. Choose the language that best matches your content. Now, let's add some videos. In the video section, YouTube will show videos from your channel. You can use the search box to quickly find the videos you want. Simply search for a video, then select it to add it to the playlist. Keep adding videos until your playlist is complete. Take your time and make sure you've included all the videos you want viewers to watch. Once you're finished, click the Create button. And that's it. Your new playlist is now ready. Creating playlists is a great way to organize your videos, make it easier for viewers to find related content, and encourage them to watch more of your videos. That's it for this video. Like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more video updates.